Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Dear learners, as we are starting our tenses, tense play a very important role in English, in speaking, in reading, in listening, in writing. Tenses are very important. If you are well aware of tenses, so you can really, it is a base that that can work very important for you, for your progress. So as we are starting the tenses, so before starting tenses, it is very important to understand the difference between active voice sentences and passive voice sentences. Before this we have discussed the sentences in with another angle, like we discussed that the sentences are four types: descriptive sentences, interrogative sentences, in, exclamatory sentences, and the other type of imperative sentences. But today we are going to discuss the active voice and passive voice sentences. I will tell you that a verb plays a very important role in the sentence. A verb plays a very important role in sentence. So verb plays the five types of role. Let's have a look. Verb plays five types of a role. Verbs have five properties. Verb have five properties. Like we have five fingers in our hands, so verbs have five properties. It tells about voice in the sentence, mood of the sentence, tense of the sentence, and person and number in the sentence. So let me repeat. With the help of verb, verb, we can identify five things in the sentence, because verbs have five properties. First of all, it tells about the voice of sentence, mood, tense, person, and number. But today our concern is regarding voice. So there are two types of voices: active voice and passive voice. Now we have to understand what is voice. Actually, voice is that form of a verb. Voice is that form of a verb which shows whether the subject does something or something done to it. Voice tells us whether the subject does something or something done to it. We can understand with this example. Let's have a look. The mother loves the children. The mother loves the children. Here, the mother is, the verb is active because subject itself is doing work. But if I say it's passive voice, so that will be the children are loved by the mother. Likewise, let's have a look at towards another sentence. They are buying this house. They are buying this house. This is an active voice because verb is telling that subject itself is doing work. But if I say that this house is being bought by them, this house is being bought by them, so it will be passive voice. We are not going to discuss passive voice right now. Simply I want to concentrate on the difference of active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject works actively, because verb is that form which tells either the work is being done by the subject or work is done on the subject. If the work is done by the subject, so that will be active voice sentence. Or if the work is done on the subject, so that will be a passive voice sentence. So we are starting our tenses in these 12 tenses. First of all, we will be doing indefinite branch. We will be doing simultaneously present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. In one go, in one sequence, we will doing present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite tense. Then we will be discussing present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. So we will be doing present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous tense simultaneously. Then we will be having the perfect tense, we will be having present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. It means we will be doing present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect, tenses. So this, likewise, at the end we will be doing present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. So in 4 stages, there are basically 3 basic tenses, that are present, past, and future. So we need to understand the difference between present. We need to understand the difference among these tenses, the present, past, and future. If we have understood the difference between present, past, and future, then we then we have to understand the difference between indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous, because we shall be discussing the tenses in one go. First of all, as I have already told you, present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. Then we will be doing present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Then we will be doing present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. And the last we will be doing present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. And all these sentences in the start we will be doing, first of all active voice sentences in 12 tenses. After doing it, after getting it done, we will be doing passive voice sentences. Hopefully at that stage you will be understanding it. There won't be any confusion. You will be getting clarity. You will be having concept clarity. With this we will be moving, and we will be dealing this the topic of tenses. That's very, very important. That's really very, very important. So you can subscribe this channel, and you can also press the icon of bell button. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are around. Allah Hafiz.